Today I'm going to show you how to make easy Easter chocolate nest cakes. You will need 4 shredded wheat biscuits, which is the equivalent to 90 grams, 200 grams of chocolate, 1 bag of small chocolate eggs. Firstly, break up your shredded wheat biscuits. Next, over a pan of boiling water, melt your chocolate. With a bain-marie, you need to make sure that the boiling water isn't touching the bowl that your chocolate is in, otherwise it will split. Once melted, put into the bowl of the crushed up shredded wheat and mix thoroughly. Then divide your mixture into 12 pre-prepared cupcake cases. Then split the bag of mini chocolate eggs over the chocolate nest cakes that you have just put in while they are still warm and can stick to the chocolate. And there you have it. That's really easy Easter chocolate nest cakes.